Johnny Depp, now 62, reflected on one of the most tumultuous periods of his life, his well-publicized romance with Amber Heard and the ensuing defamation trial, in a rare and candid interview with the Sunday Times. In the interview, Depp openly called himself a sucker for falling in love with Heard, whom he married in 2015 after meeting her on the set of The Rum Diary in 2011. Depp talked on how he frequently enters into complex relationships because of his pattern of empathic love, which involves seeing someone else's misery or loneliness. If you're as gullible as I am, sometimes you look in someone's eye and see some sadness, he said, and you believe you can assist that individual. The actor wasn't afraid to acknowledge that he didn't realize how easily his kindness may backfire. After considering how his attempts to love Heard occasionally backfired and intensified the conflict in their relationship, he clarified that no good deed goes unpunished. It was emotionally taxing to be lured into this connection. Depp suggested that he was an early public illustration of how complex domestic violence and public image can become, comparing himself to a crash test dummy for the initial wave of the #MeToo movement. Depp said he felt deeply deceived by those closest to him, as well as by the claims. He compared the court struggle to death by confetti and claimed that friends and agents he trusted distanced themselves during it. His comments imply that although he had anticipated public criticism, he had not foreseen the ease with which trust could be undermined behind the scenes. Depp is unrepentant and grounded in spite of the traumatic experience. "If I don't try to represent the truth, my kids will have to live with it," he revealed, explaining that he was motivated to pursue the defamation lawsuit in order to preserve his legacy and defend the truth for his children. Now that he has come out of his personal and professional shadows, Depp is confident in the lessons he has learned and is pursuing new creative projects in acting, music, and painting. He appears committed to reviving his career at his own pace.